Starwood Hotels and Resorts boasts some of the most comfortable and luxurious places you'll ever stay. From well-known brands and upscale locations to its one-of-a-kind properties such as the Phoenician, the company has close to 1,000 properties in nearly 100 countries. Travelers who are members of Starwood's frequent guest program, called Starwood Preferred Guest, enjoy more than a good night's rest and an unforgettable vacation. They earn points for each and every dollar spent on rooms, meals, entertainment, and much more. Programs such as Starwood's are common in the hospitality industry. Designed to encourage brand loyalty, the points earned for stays have value, both to program members and Starwood, and are carefully counted and tracked. The challenge for Starwood is determining just how much all those earned points are worth. Why? They are legally required to assign a dollar value to the points and report that amount on financial reports filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission and Internal Revenue Service. These figures also are reported to the investing public interested in buying shares of company stock. The dollar amount is listed as a liability, an obligation to members, on the company's balance sheet, and it represents what Starwood expects future point redemptions to be. It's not a small dollar amount. For 2007, the figure was $536 million. So, if the estimate is off, even by a few percentage points, the effect on the reported profits and financial statements is dramatic. As you can imagine, getting to a number that is as accurate as possible is critical. In fact, the statistical model used for assigning value to the earned points is so complex that Starwood employs an independent actuarial firm to help them create the model, collect the data, and analyze it. Historical data showing past point redemption patterns are important inputs to the model. The points are tracked by membership elite status, since members who are more loyal tend to redeem their points at higher levels. However, other variables can affect point redemption, such as changes in travel trends or general economic conditions. The model tries to capture as many of these variables as possible. Starwood managers know that predicted point redemption models are not reality, but they can be useful in helping individual property managers forecast future demand for redemptions and revenue. A hotel night paid for with points doesn't generate the same level of revenue as that of a non-points guest, but incremental revenue associated with the stay can be predicted. For example, guests will still pay for restaurants, room service, golf, and the spa, according to patterns predicted by the model. As guests redeem their points, the liability on Starwood's financial statements is reduced and a predetermined payment is made to the property as compensation for redeeming the points. As actual points are redeemed, the data are collected for use in analyzing the accuracy of the statistical model used to predict the redemption in the first place. Over time, adjustments are made to the model to reflect any shifts in redemption patterns within the tiers of program members so that the next time the model is used, Starwood can generate and report its liability estimate with confidence. Bill LaChapelle, Director and Assistant Controller of Starwood's Global Sales and Marketing Accounting, sums it up this way.
So, at the end of the day, basically, the liability that we have on the balance sheet for future redemptions, the statistical modeling that we do and the historical data that we get to help us predict what that liability should be is crucial. It helps us stay in check with the SEC, the IRS, the board of directors are comfortable we're not going to have a run on the bank. And it also makes us run efficiently by having the appropriate amount of expense on the income statement. We don't overinflate the liability on the balance sheet, and it's a key driver with our third-party actuarial firm, giving us the okay, the blessing, if you will, looking at it and agreeing and validating what we do to say that, you know, the analysis that we've done is accurate, that the liability is conservative in nature, and it accurately represents what we think our future redemptions are going to be.